Butler, Clarion, Greene, Lawrence, Mercer, Venango and Washington, and the following counties, in West Virginia: Brooke, Eastern Preston, Eastern Tucker, Hancock, Marion, Marshall, Monongalia, Ohio, Preston, ridges of eastern Monongalia and northwestern Preston, western Tucker and Wetzel. Wind advisory remains in effect from noon today to 11 p.m. this evening. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of east central Ohio. Portions of western Pennsylvania. Portions of northern West Virginia. When? From noon today to 11 p.m. this evening. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Weather message. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Where? Ohio River at Pittsburgh. When? Until just after midnight tonight. Impacts: at 18.0 feet, water begins to flow onto the Monongahela parking wharf. At 19.0 feet, water begins to flow onto the North Shore Riverwalk between the stadiums. Additional details: at 5 a.m. Saturday the stage was 17.1 feet. Forecast: the river will rise to 18.0 feet this afternoon. It will then fall to below 18 feet tonight. Action stage is 18.0 feet. Flood stage is 25.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood caution is urged when walking near riverbanks. Additional information is available at weather.gov/Pittsburgh. Now here is the synopsis. Rain